Hindi pa man nagsisimula ay tila gumuho na ang mga pangarap ng ating star player na middle blocker na si Jaja Santiago dahil sa bagong patakaran ng FIVB rule at hindi na ito makakapaglaro pa para sa Olympics. Bagamat isang nakakalungkot man na balita, isang pag-asa naman ang nakikita ng mga Pinoy dahil maaari pa ring makapaglaro si Jaja sa Pinas as Alas Pilipinas. Ano sa tingin nyo? Maglalaro kaya si Jaja sa Philippine National Team? Pero bago pa man ang lahat, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please like and subscribe at pakispike na rin sa bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga valuable ganap. Ayon kay Ramon Tatsuzara, ang mga dating paglahok ni Santiago sa koponan ng Pilipinas ang nagiging sanhi kung bakit hindi na siya maaaring maglaro para sa Japan sa hinaharap. Bagamat Japanese citizen na si Santiago at kilala bilang Sachi Minowa, posibleng hindi na matupad ang kanyang pangarap na maglaro para sa Japan dahil sa bagong patakaran ng FIVB. Noong Agosto lamang na-approve ang kanyang naturalization at upang simulan ang kanyang pangarap na kumakatawan sa Asia's second rank at world number 7. May mga pagbabago sa patakaran ng FIVB noong May 2024 patungkol sa national membership, kahalagahan ng pagiging kwalipikado at pagbabago ng pinagmulan ng federasyon. Ayon sa mga paliwanag ni Suzara, kailangang sundin ang 6 na kondisyon ng Article 5.2 ng mga patakaran ng FIVB upang maipagpatuloy ang paglipat ng federasyon. Ang mga apela sa pangunguna ng PNBF ay ginawa sa FIVB sa greenlight binawa para sa 2024 Paris Olympics dahil gusto ng Japan head coach na si Masayoshi Manabe na maglaro siya bilang middle blocker ngunit hindi ito natupad. Sa kasalukuyan, maaari pa ring maglaro si Santiago para sa Alas Pilipinas kung nais lamang niya. Bagamat may mga hamon sa paglipat ng federasyon, ay nananatili pa rin siyang Filipino sa puso at maaari pa rin siyang maglaro para sa bansa. Marami ang nagbago para sa mga national team mula noong 2022 nang huling magsuot ng kulay ng Pilipinas si Santiago sa international stage. Bagamat nabuo na ang national team player pool, nauna nang sinabi ni Alas Pilipinas head coach George Souza de Brito ang kanyang intensyon na panatilihing bukas ang pinto para sa mga local standouts para palakasin ang kanyang koponan. Kung ganun man ang mangyayari kay Santiago, panahon lang din ang makakapagsabi.
John, I want to explain to you the rule, no? Jaja is now a Japanese citizen, I heard, no? Okay, she's married, no? But there was a new rule last year by FIVB that if you played in a national team of another country, you cannot transfer federation anymore. Yes, I explained that to Julie Bong in Paris or sa Bangkok. Explain ko sa yung rule na he was explained by FIVB president. So even if Jaja has 2 passports, I'm sure, no? He has a Philippine passport and he has a Japanese passport. The federation of origin is still Philippines. So when you change federation, one time lang yan. Once nag-change ng federation, hindi na pwede bumalik sa old federation mo. So what happened now is that I don't know if you remember Kalimao. Okay, Kalimao. Ano pinag F2 ata, no? So she changed federation. She has an American passport, a dual passport. Then she changed federation 1 time. So right now, the federation of origin of Kalimao is Philippines, but her passport is Philippines and USA. So he cannot change federation anymore. Philippines now. So every time she plays abroad, she has to ask permission from the Philippine federation. So with Jaja now, just to make it clear, because I told Jaja that I supported her sa FIVB because of this new rule. Ang problema, Jaja already played sa national team sa Philippines 3 or 4 times already. So with the new rule last year, she can never play with Japan. So she can still play with Philippines. Pwede ba siya? Because its federation of origin is Philippines. Philippines. Pwede ba siya? Because its federation of origin is Philippines. Well, hindi passport ang binabasihan dito. Federation of origin. So Jaja is still Filipino by nature to play for the national team. Kung hindi siya nag-national team, pwede ma-transfer. She can transfer. Because, why? What happened kasi, if you remember, lahat ng Cuban players kasi umalis sa sa bayan nila. Kasi ano man, hirap ng and they played sa Italy, nag-asawang ganyan. And then, suddenly Turkey became strong with Vargas, Leon from Poland, Cuba became strong because of them. No? So, ngayon, inistiktuhan na ngayon ng FIVB because of that rule last year. Because they were national team players and they played also national team. Kasi you have to wait 2 years eh. But now, the new rule, Jaja played kasi sa national team. Kung di siya nagkaroon siya ng national team, she can change federation, madali yun. But since she played, by the record ng FIVB, she cannot change federation anymore.
That's good news.
Retroactive yung ruling.
Yeah, last year. Last year. It was implemented June last year. So we tried so much, nag-appeal. In fact, sabi ko nga, because Japan, the coach of Japan, Manabe, was a good friend of mine, she needed Jaja for Paris as a middle blocker. So we appealed. I signed a letter also, both Japan and Philippines, but
So this early, are we talking to Jaja na sa susunod, especially SEA Games?
she can still play. She is welcome to play in the Philippine national team. But for her to represent Japan at the moment,
Good morning, Boss